Okay. So we have one more question. I think, yeah, we have 4 more minutes to finish off this session. I have one more question. Does today's topic also indicate that if I am an entrepreneur, I would be able to manage the HR aspects as well? Yes, very, very, very right. Yes. Of course, if you are an entrepreneur, it is a high time you understand how HR works. Okay. So as I mentioned, HR doesn't mean that it is only recruiting and building a team. Okay. HR means, building an organization. Okay. And then building a team, recruitment, and then business law. Yeah. So how legally you should protect yourself, and then safety of your organization. Right. You see, even if you are a solopreneur, right? I mean, most of us are solopreneurs nowadays, right? But still, you should know how you can protect your, YouTube video, your content. Yeah. How you can, create a safe environment for your business. Okay. It should not be the like, you are plagiarizing somebody's content or somebody is plagiarizing your content, right? I mean, I undergo, such things where, people just like that copy my content and then post it in the same forum I am part of, right? Then I know I should know how to handle, such situation, right? So, you have a lot of information that your email ID, safety is very, very important. So, HR is one who is collaborating for, safety of the company assets, right? So as an entrepreneur, you have to safeguard your assets, right? And then training and development, right? Whether you have a team or not, right? Training and development should be a part of your, growth, right? It could be that, you are training somebody or you are acquiring some, skills. Continuous learning is something that, you have to have, right? You cannot have as a solopreneur or as a small team if you're running a small team, right? So all these things are very, very important. Yeah, 5 6 different functions that HR, the HR is a broad term, okay, under which there are 5 different sub functions are there, okay. So I would recommend you, learn about different functions of HR and then see how you are, you have to adapt the key things from HR functions. Yeah, yes, definitely. As an entrepreneur, you should be able to manage all the HR aspects very well. Okay, so these are all the questions that we have for today. It has been awesome interacting with you all. I hope I have answered all your questions. If you have more questions, or if you are coming up with some sub questions from the responses that I have given you, you can reach out to me. Again, my name is Subha Lakshmi Narsimhan. I own a brand called SLN Brand Studio. SLN is nothing but my name, Subha Lakshmi Narsimhan Brand Studio. What exactly I do? I have 3 different, in fact, 4 different programs. One is SVEP. It is for the college students, Vision Execution Program, where I will be traveling with the students all, 2 years, 4 years. It starts from the, first year. SPBQ is for you all, which is Personal Branding Quotient Program, where I help people to build their personal brand and grow in their career. It can be one-on-one program or small group sessions or big group sessions. And then third is corporate program that I'm coming up with. See, personal branding is not only for individuals. Okay, it is very important that corporates should incorporate personal branding sessions for their employees. In fact, recently when I kind of worked on assessing my the reports and all, 45% of my clients, existing clients, they have decided to stay back in their organization, okay, after attending my personal branding session. So corporates are more welcome to have an interaction with me, how we can build a personal brand which is going to ultimately help your organization to build a brand. And then the fourth program, which is very, very close to my heart, which I have been doing since 2014-15, SWCP, Women Contentment Program. Yeah. So through this program, I've been helping women who have a break in their career. Whether you want to get into where you left, or you want to start a new journey, or you want to start something on your own, I help them. I have a process defined. This is, in fact, Women Contentment Program is some, one program that I, submitted as a business proposal when I was doing a Women Entrepreneurship Program in IIM Bangalore. Yeah, so you can have a look at my website, which is right now it is under renewal, but still you can have a look at it. Even my existing content will talk right about what exactly I'm doing. www.slnbrandstudio.com. My email ID, my phone number, everything is there in my website. And more than that, I would like to connect with each one of you on LinkedIn. Subha Lakshmi Narsimhan, if you search for, you can connect with me. Follow my LinkedIn page, Facebook page, SLN Brand Studio. You can follow me on Instagram, Subha SLN Brand Studio. So look forward to helping your career, supporting your career growth, yeah, in whatever way I can. So look forward again. Thank you so much, Sharmita and Jobs, for this opportunity. This is a wonderful opportunity, I'm telling you. A lot that I learned from each one of you, people who are raising questions. Yeah, thank you so much.